हेलो बच्चों, हाय पूर्वी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्यूटर चैनल। आज हम लोग सेवेक्स क्लास 7th का चैप्टर नंबर 9 स्ट्रगल फॉर इक्वलिटी पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो बच्चों चलो शुरू करते हैं चैप्टर। स्ट्रगल्स फॉर इक्वलिटी, समानता के लिए क्या स्ट्रगल किए हैं उन लोगों ने। ऑन दिस वर्क you have read about the people like Kanta, the Ansari, Melani, and Swapna. The thread that contacts all of their lives is that they have been treated unequally. इस बुक में हम लोगों ने इन लोगों के बारे में पढ़ा है, कांता के बारे में, अंसारी के बारे में। तो ये थ्रेड निकला है कि इन सभी को अनइक्वल ट्रीट किया है। What do people do when they face such inequalities? लोग क्या करते होंगे जब वो लोग इस प्रकार के inequality फेस करते हैं। History is full of examples of persons who have come together to fight against inequality and for the issue of justice. History एक एग्जाम्पल है जिसमें कि इन लोगों के बारे में बताया गया है कि कैसे इन लोगों ने लड़ाई करी है जस्टिस पाने के लिए इनइक्वालिटी से। सो डू यू रिकॉल द स्टोरी ऑफ रोज़ा पार्क्स इन चैप्टर फर्स्ट? क्या आपको वो स्टोरी याद है रोज़ा पार्क जो हमने चैप्टर फर्स्ट में पढ़ी थी, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन? डू यू रिमेंबर द फोटो इज ऐसे द वुमेन मूवमेंट इन चैप्टर 5? क्या आपको वो फोटो ऐसे याद है वुमेन मूवमेंट पर जो चैप्टर 5 का है? In this chapter you will learn about some of the way in which the people have struggled against inequality. इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे कैसे लोगों ने स्ट्रगल किया इनइक्वालिटी से लड़ने के लिए। As you have already read in this book, the Indian Constitution recognizes all the Indians are equal before the law and states that no person can be discriminated against because of their religion, sex, caste or whether they are rich or poor. इस बुक में हमने पढ़ा कि इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस ने बोला है कि सारे इंडियंस इक्वल है लॉ के सामने, whether they belong to any religion, caste or whether they are rich or poor. All adults in the India have the equal right to vote during the election, and this power over the ballot box and has been used by the people to elect or replace their representative. What do you think is meant by the expression bullet over the power box? Discuss. आप लोगों को इस एक्सप्रेशन से क्या समझ में आता है? बुलेट ओवर द power over the bullet box. But this feeling of equality that the ballot box provides, because the vote of one person is as good as that of another, does not extend to most people lives. तो जैसे कि ये इक्वलिटी की फीलिंग होती है कि जो बुलेट बॉक्स प्रोवाइड करता है कि एक पर्सन का वोट उतना ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। As you have read, the increasing privatizations of health services and the neglect of the government hospitals have made it difficult for most poor people like Kanta, Hakim Sheikh and Aman to get the good quality health care. जैसे कि इसी बुक में चैप्टर दे रखा है कि गवर्नमेंट कि जो सर्विसेज है, हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज है, वहाँ पर भी इन लोगों को, जो पुअर पीपल है, उन लोगों को नेगलेक्ट किया गया, जो कि स्टोरी बेस्ड थी कांता, हकीम शेख और अमन पर। एंड अमन टू गेट द गुड क्वालिटी हेल्थ केयर। डियर, दिस पीपल डू नॉट हैव द रिसोर्सेज टू अफोर्ड द एक्सपेंसिव प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विसेज, क्योंकि ये लोग प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विसेज को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे। सिमिलरली द मैन who sells the juice does not have the resources to compete with all the major companies who sell the branded drinks through expensive advertising. So जैसे कि एग्जांपल दे रखा है कि एक मैन जो कि जूस सेल आउट करता है, उसके पास इतने रिसोर्सेज नहीं रहते कि वो उसके जूस को कंपेयर कर सके ब्रांडेड ड्रिंक के साथ। स्वप्ना डज नॉट हैव द सफिशिएंट रिसोर्सेज टू ग्रो कॉटन। स्वप्ना के पास ज़्यादा रिसोर्सेज नहीं है कि वो कॉटन उगा सके। एंड सो हैज़ टू टेक अ लोन फ्रॉम द ट्रेजर टू ग्रो हर क्रॉप्स। तो इस वजह से उसने मार्केट से लोन लिया ताकि वो अपनी फसल उगा सके। दिस फोर्सेस हर्स टू सेल हर क्रॉप एट द लोअर प्राइस। Melanie, like the million of domestic workers across the country, is forced to endure the insult and the hardship of the working as a domestic help because she has no sources to set up something on her own. Poverty and the lack of sources continue to be the key reason why so many people live in India are highly unequal. पॉवर्टी, गरीबी ही इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा रीज़न है जिस वजह से लोगों को अनइक्वल ट्रीट किया जाता है। On the other hand, the Ansari were discriminated against not because they did not have the sources. Despite having the money to pay the required rent, they were not allowed to find an apartment for over a month. और दूसरी साइड देखिए कि अंसारी को डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड इस वजह से नहीं किया गया था कि उनके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, मनी नहीं है। पीपल वर रेलिकेंट टू लीज द एन अपार्टमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर रिलीजन। लोग उनको उनके रिलीजन की वजह से उनको अपार्टमेंट नहीं दे रहे थे। सिमिलरली द मेन रीज़न दैट द टीचर फोर्स ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि टू स्वेप द स्कूल यार्ड वॉज बिकॉज ही वॉज दलित। आज इट इज़ कि टीचर्स ने भी ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि को बहुत फोर्स किया था कि वो स्कूल यार्ड को साफ करें बिकॉज ही बिलोंग टू दलित कैटेगरी। You also read that the work women do is often considered of less value than done by the man. All of the persons are discriminated against primarily because of their social and the cultural background as well as because they are women. Discrimination on the basis of person, religion, caste, and sex is another significant factor for whether people are treated unequally in India. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है जिसमें इंडिया में बहुत अनइक्वली ट्रीट करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर रिलीजन, on the basis of their caste, on the basis of their color, etc. Often, poverty and lack of dignity and respect for the certain communities and groups come together in such powerful ways that it is difficult to identify whether one aspect of inequality ends and other begins. As you read, Dalit, आदिवासी एंड मुस्लिम गर्ल्स ड्रॉप आउट ऑफ स्कूल इन द लार्ज नंबर। जैसे कि हमने लास्ट चैप्टर्स पे पढ़ा है कि दलित, आदिवासी और मुस्लिम गर्ल्स जल्दी अपना स्कूल छोड़ देते हैं। दिस इज़ अ combined outcome of poverty, social discrimination and the lack of good quality school facilities for these communities. In India, it is a case that the poor consist of a majority of members of Dalit, Adivasis and Muslim communities and are often women. According to the 2011 census data, women from 48.5% of the population, Muslim form 14.2% of population, and ST/SC from 16.6% and ST from 8.6%. Struggles for equality. Throughout the world, in every community, village, city, and town, you will find that there are some people who are known and respected because of their fight for equality. These people may have stood up against an act of discrimination that they face or which they witness, or they may be well respected because they treated all the persons with dignity and are therefore trusted and called upon to resolve the issue in the community. Often some of these persons become more widely recognized because they have the support or represent large number of people who have united to address a particular issue of inequality. In India, there are several struggles in which people have to come together to fight for the issue that they believe are important. In chapter 5, you read about the methods used by the women movement to raise issue of the equality. The Tawa Mesra Sangh and Madhya Pradesh is another example of the people coming together to fight for an issue. There are many such struggles, such as this among the Bedi workers, fish folk, agricultural laborer, slum drillers, and each group is struggling for justice in its own way. There are many attempts to form the cooperatives or these collective ways by which people can have more control over their resources. The question is, can you think of one person in your family, community, or village, or your town, or your city whom you respect because of their fight for equality and justice? So, if you know that person, kindly find the answer and comment in comment section. Next is Tawa Metsya Sangh. When dams are built or the forest area declared sanctuaries for animals, thousands of people are displaced. जब डैम्स बनाए गए और फॉरेस्ट एरिया को डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि यहाँ पर एनिमल की सेंचुरी है, तो कई सारे लोगों को डिस्प्लेस करना पड़ा, जगह चेंज करनी पड़ी. Whole villages are uprooted and the people are forced to go and build the new homes, start the new life elsewhere. पूरा जो गांव था उसको खोद दिया गया और सभी लोगों को फोर्स किया गया कि वो कहीं और जाकर अपना घर बनाएं और अपनी नई लाइफ शुरू करें. मोस्ट ऑफ दिस पीपल आर पुअर. उसमें से कई लोग बहुत गरीब थे. इन द अर्बन एरिया टू, बस्तीज and which the poor people live are often uprooted. Even urban area में भी जो बस्तीज थी उनको भी उखाड़ दिया था. Some of them are relocated to the areas outside the city. कुछ लोग सिटी के बाहर जाके रहने लगे. Their work as well as their children's schooling is several distribute because of the distance from the outskirts of the city to this location. उनका काम और उनके बच्चों की पढ़ाई भी रुक गई क्योंकि वहाँ से स्कूल की डिस्टेंस बहुत दूर थी. This displacement of people and the communities is a problem that become widespread in our country. People usually come together to fight against this. लोग अक्सर साथ में आते अपना हक पाने के लिए. There are several organizations across the country fighting for the right of the displaced. In this chapter, you will read about the Tawa Matsya Sangh, a federation of the fisher workers cooperatives, an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. Originating in the Mahadev hills of Chhindwara district, the Tawa follows through the Betul before joining the Narbada in the Hoshangabad. The Tawa dams began to build in 1958 and was completed in 1978. It submerged the large area of forest and agriculture land. The forest dwellers were left with nothing. Some of the displaced people settled around the reservoir and apart from their merged farms found a livelihood in the fishing. They earned very little. Here is a picture of a dam. A dam is built across a river at site where one can collect a lot of water. This form a reservoir, and as the water collects, it submerges vast area of land. This is because the wall of the dams across the river is high and the water spreads over a large area. This is a photograph of the submerged coast over a large city. This is a photograph caused by the Tehri Dam and Uttarakhand, the old Tehri town, and the 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were submerged by these dams. Nearly 1 lakh people were displaced. What issue in the Tawa Matsa song TMS fighting for? Why did the villagers set up this organization? Do you think that the large-scale participation of villagers has contributed to the success of the TMS? Write 2 lines on which why you think so. In 1994, the government gave the right for fishing in the Tawa reservoir to private contractors. This contractor drove the local people away and got the cheap labor from outside. The contractor began to threaten the villagers who did not want to leave by bringing in hoodlums. The villagers stayed united and decided that it was the time to set up an organization and do something to protect their rights. The newly formed Tawa Matsya Singh organized the rallies and the Chakka Jam road blockade, demanding the right to continue the fishing for their livelihood. And respond to their protest, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended that fishing rights be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. In 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government decided to give the people displaced by the Tawa Dam the fishing rights for the reservoir. A 5-year lease agreement was signed 2 months later. On January 2, 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started a new year with the first catch. जनवरी 1997 से 33 विलेजेस में न्यू ईयर तब स्टार्ट होता था जब वो पहला कैच पहली मछली पकड़ते थे. With the TMS taking over, the fish workers were able to increase their earning substantially. This was because they set up the cooperative which would buy the catch from them at the fair price. The cooperative would then arrange to transport and sell this in the market where they would get a good price. They have now begun to earn 3 times more than they earned earlier. फिर वो ज़्यादा अर्न करने लगे. पहले के कंपैरिजन में वो 3 गुना ज़्यादा पैसा कमाने लगे. The TMS has also begun giving the fisher workers loan to repair and buying of new nets. फिर TMS ने उनको लोन देना भी शुरू कर दिया जिससे वो नई नेट्स खरीद सके फिश पकड़ने के लिए. By managing to earn a high wage as well as preserving the fish in the reservoir, the TMS has shown that when people's organization get their rights to livelihood, they can be the good manager. Can you think of an incident in your life in which one person or a group of people came together to change an unequal situation? क्या आप अपनी लाइफ का कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंस बता सकते हैं जिसमें कि एक पर्सन और ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल साथ में आए हैं किसी सिचुएशन को चेंज करने के लिए? So, adaptation of a song written as a part of right to inform to information campaign by the Vinay Mahajan. The right to know. My dreams have the right to know why from centuries they have been breaking. Why don't they ever come true? My hands have the right to know why do they remain without work all along? Why do they have nothing to do? My feet have the right to know why from village to village they walk on their own. What are there no signs of a birth? Yet my hunger has the right to know why grain roads in the godowns. Why I don't ever get a fistful of rice? My old mother has a right to know why are there no medicines, needles, dispensaries, or bandages? My children have the right to know why do they labor day and the night? Why is there no school on site? So, what is your favorite line in the above song? इस song में आपकी favorite line कौन सी थी? What does a poet mean when the says my hunger has a right to know? मेरे भूख का कोई right तो होगा, मुझे जानने का पूरा अधिकार है कि मेरी भूख का क्या राज है. Can you share with your class a local song or a poem on dignity that is from your area? क्या आप अपनी क्लास में या अपने एरिया में कोई एक ऐसी पोएम या तो फिर कोई एक सॉन्ग शेयर करें जो कि डिग्निटी पर हो, जो कि आपके एरिया के डिग्निटी को शो करे. सो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन अगेंस्ट इनइक्वालिटी के अगेंस्ट क्या क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन है? While some joined protest movement to fight the inequality, others might use their pens or their voices or their ability to dance to draw the attention to issue of inequality. जब प्रोटेस्ट मूवमेंट हुआ था तो उनने इनइक्वालिटी के लिए लड़ाई की थी. कुछ लोगों ने पेन का यूज़ किया, कुछ ने अपनी आवाज़ उठाई, कुछ ने डांस किया और इन सारे इश्यूज से इन सारी चीज़ें करके उन्होंने इनइक्वालिटी के इशू पर अटेंशन दिया लोगों का. राइटर्स, सिंगर्स, डांसर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट हैव आल्सो बीन वेरी एक्टिव ऑन द फाइट अगेंस्ट इनइक्वालिटी. जो राइटर्स थे, सिंगर थे, लेखक थे, डांसर्स, आर्टिस्ट थे, ये सभी लोग बहुत एक्टिव थे. Often poems, songs and stories can also be inspire us and make us believe strongly in an issue and influence our efforts to correct the situation. जो सॉन्ग्स, पोएम्स और स्टोरीज उन्होंने बोली थी उससे हमको इंस्पिरेशन मिली थी, जिससे हमको बिलीव हो गया कि क्या एफर्ट्स करने चाहिए इन इशू को चेंज करने के लिए. The Indian Constitution as a living document, the foundation of all the movements for justice and the inspiration for all the poetry and songs on equality is the recognition that all the people are equal. जो इसका मूवमेंट है जस्टिस का, जो इंस्पिरेशन है पोइट्री और सॉन्ग्स इक्वलिटी पर, उससे हमको पता चलता है कि सभी लोग इक्वल हैं. As you know, the Indian Constitution recognize the equality of all the persons. जैसे कि सभी को पता है कि जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उससे रिकॉग्नाइज किया कि इक्वलिटी सभी के लिए है कि ऑल पीपल आर इक्वल अगेंस्ट द लॉ, in front of law. Movements and struggle for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about the equality and justice for all. So बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स, बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल किए गए इक्वलिटी पाने के लिए, ताकि जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है इसमें इक्वलिटी सभी को मिले और सभी को जस्टिस मिले, सभी को न्याय मिले. The fish workers in the Tawa Mat Satsang hope that the provision of the Constitution will become a reality, that their participation in this movement, by constantly referring to the Constitution, they use a living document, such as something that has real meaning in our life. In a democracy, there are always communities and the individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and to push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as the new issue, चाहे वो पुराना इशू हो चाहे नया इशू हो. Issues of equality are the central to democracy. जो इक्वलिटी का इशू है वो हमारे डेमोक्रेसी का मेन इशू है. In this book, we have tried to highlight the issue that pose a challenge to the idea of equality in a democracy. This, as you have read, include the privatization of the health service in the country, the increasing control that the business house exert on the media, the low value given to the women and the work, and the low earning made by the small farmers who grow the cotton. This is to substantially affect the poor and the marginalized communities, and therefore concern the economy and the social equality in the city. So what role does the constitution play in the people's struggle for equality? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस ने क्या रोल प्ले किया है जब इन लोगों ने इक्वलिटी के लिए स्ट्रगल किया? कैन यू मेक अप अ सोशल एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन इक्वलिटी? क्या आप एक सोशल एडवर्टाइजमेंट बना सकते हैं इक्वलिटी पर? यू कैन डू दिस इन ए स्मॉल ग्रुप. और जल्दी से एक पोस्टर और शॉर्ट नोट लिख कर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताएं. This is the core of the struggle for equality and democracy, the dignity and the self-respect of each person, that the community can also be released, that they have the accurate sources to support and mature their family, and if they are not discriminated against. तो उन्होंने जो स्ट्रगल किया इक्वलिटी पाने के लिए, तो उनका ये कहना था कि हमारी डिग्निटी और हमारी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट सभी की बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो पर्सन किसी भी रिलीजन से फॉलो करे, चाहे वो मेल हो या फीमेल हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, कि ऑल पर्सन्स आर इक्वल अगेंस्ट द लॉ. सो नो वन कैन पनिश और नो वन कैन से एनीथिंग टू देम as they belong to different communities, different caste, different religion or different sex, यानी मेल या फीमेल. सो उस टाइम पर मीडिया ने भी उनका बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया है, क्योंकि मीडिया की हेल्प से उन लोगों ने अपनी आवाज़ को उठाया और टीवी चैनल्स पर, न्यूज़पेपर पर ये सारी चीज़ें प्रिंट हुई. तो एडवर्टाइजिंग करने से उनका जो रोल था, उनको जो राइट मिलना था वो शायद मिल गया होगा. वैसे भी हमारी कंट्री का एक इशू है, एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. सबसे पहले उनकी बात मानी जाती है जो रिच है, उनके पास ज़्यादा राइट्स है, जिनके पास ज़्यादा पावर्स है, एज़ कम्पेयर टू दोज पीपल हु आर पुअर, हु डू नॉट हैव एनी पावर्स एंड रिसोर्सेज. सो हियर इज द फिग पिक्चर. Over 1,500 persons attended a public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against a woman. Over 15 cases of violence against a woman were heard by the jury of eminent women who played the role of judges. This play really helped to highlight the lack of support in the legal system for women who seek the justice in such cases. बच्चों, if you have any query related to any question of this chapter, then comment in comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.